Hello viewers at home. On this video I just want to introduce you to the Microsoft Home application. This application combines the Word, Excel and PowerPoint apps as well as the PDFs. So whether you're using it for professional or personal reasons, this app is designed to be your go-to app for getting work done on a mobile device. So this is where you start. I'm gonna show you. So this app is here, is on this location on my phone. So I'm gonna tap on Microsoft apps, and then I'm gonna tap on Office. So if I tap on Office, it will take me to this screen. So you can see that I've got Home. Next to Home, I've got a plus sign, and then I've got Actions. So I'm gonna tap on the plus sign to start creating my documents. So when I'm tapping on the plus sign, you can see that I've got three buttons. I've got Notes, I've got Lens and Documents. So if I tap on the first one, Notes, in this area I will be able to type my notes. If I want to brainstorm, I can just type my ideas, or if I'm listening to a speaker, I want to take notes, I can do that. So I can use the keyboard and type notes. Okay. So one of the nice things about this is that on those three dots on the top right corner of the window, there I can change the color of my screen to green, pink, purple, blue. Don't know this color in this one, but you can change the colors. So all the colors are listed here, as you can see. I'm gonna go back. Okay, again I'm gonna click the plus sign. This time I'm gonna tap on Documents. So I can add a Word document there, can add an Excel document, I can create a PowerPoint presentation. Depends on what I want to achieve. Okay, so next to the plus sign on the right, there is a button for Actions. So I'm gonna tap on Actions just to show you what is inside. On the menu, the first item there is transfer files. I can transfer files between the phone and the computer. I can share files with the nearby devices, convert text into images. So I can do more here. So by signing a PDF, scanning to a PDF, scanning pictures to a PDF, and converting documents to a PDF. So let me quickly show you. Let's say I want to sign a PDF. I'm going to tap on Sign PDF, and then I need to select the file that I want to sign. So I'm going to tap on Browse, which is on the top right corner of the window, and then I'm gonna tap on this device because I want to sign a file that is saved on this device. So this file is on Downloads, so I'm gonna tap on Downloads, and then I'm gonna scroll down and look for this file. Let's select this one for example. So I'm gonna tap anywhere. Says tap anywhere where you need to sign. So let's say I want to put my signature somewhere here. So I'm gonna tap on the instruction, tap where you want to sign. Okay, I'm gonna tap inside, in fact, where I want to sign, and then on this screen I need to sign. This is where I need to sign. And then when you are done, you must tap on that sign and the signature will be saved. So the next time you want to sign a file, the signature will be already be saved, and then you can just tap and insert. So I'm gonna save this signature. Then the signature is inserted in my document. I need to resize it, and then when I'm done again, I need to make sure that I tap there, and then the signature will be saved on my document. So that's how I sign a document. So going down on more actions, I can scan QR codes and I can rehearse with the coach. So if I'm having a presentation, I can design my presentation, and then when I'm done, I can tap on rehearse with the coach, and then I can select any presentation that I want to rehearse, and then this app is going to assist me as I am preparing my presentation. Thank you for watching.